Hello everyone, I'm Eric with TurboSound and welcome to Music Studios. This is the IP1000 from our Inspire series of powered loudspeaker systems. The IP1000 features 1000 watts of power with 120 degrees of coverage, onboard inputs for instruments and microphones, Bluetooth streaming with wireless control and Clark Technics spatial sound technology, and more features that make this the perfect system for gigging musicians and mobile DJs. So let's take a look at the IP1000. Inspired by our award-winning line array products, the IP1000 features 8 2 3/4 inch neodymium drivers for clean mid-range and high-frequency reproduction, as well as a horn-loaded super tweeter extending high-frequency range and throw. These are housed in a precision lock aluminum array system, eliminating the need for speaker stands and cables. In the base unit, we'll find a set of 8-inch high-excursion low-frequency drivers for low-end response, as well as your inputs, outputs, and system controls. The IP1000 is made road-ready with a tough birch ply enclosure and powder-coated perforated steel mesh grills, as well as handles for easy transport. It provides extremely wide sound dispersion for consistent sound to the audience and performers, eliminating the need for stage monitors or extra speakers for coverage. Let's go ahead and check out the onboard controls. The IP1000 features an easy-to-read LCD screen and a rotary encoder to cycle through all the functions. Starting with the process button. Hitting this button will take you to this menu, giving you access to mode control that has presets to choose from depending on what's playing through the speakers. Next is an input control to adjust gain for the 2 analog inputs on the back and the Bluetooth stream. Moving over is the EQ for dialing in your bass, mid, and treble frequencies. And lastly on this menu are some positioning presets for optimum performance of your IP1000. These are selected depending on how the unit is being used. The setup button gives you access to your Bluetooth pairing and linking options, as well as an individual subwoofer level control. You will also find options for adjusting the screen and setting up a password for locking the IP1000 when you're not around. But what's really cool is that all these controls can also be accessed wirelessly from your iPhone or iPad via the Turbo Control app, which is available for free to download at turbosound.com. Rounding out the system is the back panel featuring 2 combo jacks that accept 1/4 inch and XLR, and 2 balanced XLR outputs for easy linking to other powered speakers. And lastly, an IEC power connect and an on-off switch. This is the IP1000. For more tech specs and media, visit turbosound.com. I'm Eric, and thanks for visiting us here at Music Studios.